What's happening, phone nerds? Ian here, once again, as always, from Mega Mobile USA. And today I want to do a quick unboxing of the HTC Desire 20 Pro. You can pick this up in my store. I'll leave a link in the description. Real quick, the specs on this guy, not too crazy. It's a solid mid-ranger phone, this guy here. It's a 6.5-inch screen. It comes in 128 gigs with 6 gigabytes of RAM. It is dual SIM compatible. It has a 48 megapixel camera, a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, and a Snapdragon 665 processor. If you guys have any questions, you can always leave it in the comments below. If you'd be so kind as to subscribe to my channel, like the video, that's always very much appreciated. This is how the box comes. You can see here on the back, everything I just mentioned, the Snapdragon, the full HD plus, and it's got 48, 8, 2, and 2 megapixel, a 25 megapixel front-facing camera, which is pretty nice, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, blah, blah, blah. If you buy it from me, this is exactly what you're gonna get, okay? Got the little picture of the phone in the front, HTC Desire 20 Pro. I'm gonna pull it off. The phone's right here. Go ahead and tip it out. And this is the green one. I do also have it in black, and this color is actually pretty awesome. It's got this like gradient look to it. Fingerprint sensor on the back. It's kind of high. I would have preferred, I like to hold my phone a little bit like this, so this would have been better. Like right above the HTC, whatever, we'll take it. I like the accents. You can see the power button as well. It's got this sort of goldish, and then it matches with the camera there. It's not bad, it actually looks really nice. Once again, 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, which is solid. No screen protector on this guy though. That's kind of a zonk, to use Radies Ride's terminology there. It's 2 cents. I don't know why they wouldn't include it. All right, let's pull this out. SIM eject tool. Looks like a bunch of HTC stuff. All the docs that you can't read because I don't know Chinese. Headphones. These are cheap. I would recommend getting your own pair, but if you're in a pinch, these will work fine. Got USB-A to USB-C. And then we have a charger here as well. In the event that it comes with a different charger, I always include an adapter. Slap it on, plug in the wall. Yeah, not the prettiest thing in the world, but it gets the job done. And that's pretty much it for the HTC Desire 20 Pro. If you guys have any questions about it, please let me know. Be happy to answer them, and I look forward to your business. Thanks again, guys.